Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find out whether your Windows 11 is genuine or not. So that's been said, let's get started. To find out, simply click on Start button and click on Settings. And here click on System. And here you will find option called Activation. Simply click on Activation. And here you can find out which version of Windows you are using. So I'm using Windows 11 Pro, and here you have activation status, that is active, and my Windows is activated with the digital license linked to my Microsoft account. So if you get this kind of information here, that means you are using genuine copy of Windows 11. Instead of this, if you get other information such as your Windows is not activated and your Windows license is not activated using Microsoft account, or you are getting other information such as your Windows 11 is going to expire within some days, that means you are not using genuine copy of Windows 11. So this is how you can find out whether your Windows 11 is genuine or not. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.